Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got another unpackaging for you. I've got some more silver pickups to add to the stack. But before we get into that video, I wanted to discuss a post that I've just seen on YouTube. Now this was posted by Property Hub, and that is a YouTube channel that is run by Rob Dix. Now for those of you that haven't heard of Rob Dix, he is a UK property investor. He's also a UK author. He's released a number of books talking about property investing, very, very good books. They're actually books that I read when I first started investing in property, and they really, really helped me along the way. Let's get into the post that he put on his YouTube today. Now you can see it says, in the third quarter of 2022, central banks bought more gold than they had done in 55 years. Some of the biggest recent buyers have been countries like China, Russia and Turkey, probably as a result of sanctions. But the US, Germany and Italy are still the three biggest holders of gold. The UK is 18th. Do you hold any gold in your portfolio? Is it time to invest? So, and this is what I wanted to show you, this graph that he's found. It just shows you how much countries have been adding to their gold reserves over the last few years. Look at that line going straight up. And it says on here, they've added more gold than they have done in the last 55 years, just in 2022. So who knows what they're panicking about, but they know something we don't. To be accumulating gold that quickly and in that quantity in not many years at all shows you that they know something we don't. So yeah, really interesting. I thought I'd just show you that. This video is obviously about silver, but when the price of gold goes up, so does silver. It follows in tangent. So although countries accumulate gold in their reserves, it still has a huge impact on silver. Now let's get into today's video. This arrived literally 10 minutes ago, so I thought, you know what, I've actually got a day off work today. I've already filmed and uploaded 2 videos, but I thought I'll make it a third, make my day off productive. This is from Atkinson's. I quite often buy from Atkinson's. They're very, very good service, very good prices and very quick delivery as well. So you can see it's nicely packaged. So I'm going to take this bar out the way and I'm going to leave these 2 bars on there, and you'll see why in a minute. Look at these. So I've added some more 1 ounce silver bars to my stack. Currently, I don't have many 1 ounce silver bars. These are like one of the only 2 I think I have in my stack. I think I've got a couple of proof ones, I believe, maybe 1 proof one, and I might have another 1 or 2 in the stack, but I don't have many. Now there's no particular reason for that. It's just I've tended to go towards coins, or if I'm going for bars, I like bigger bars. I like the 10 ounce bars. They're my favourite bars to stack. But I thought, you know what, it's about time I got some more 1 ounces in the stack. These might be my first items from Sunshine Mint actually. But I'm quite impressed with the quality. These were the cheapest on the website currently for the 1 ounce silver bars. That's why I went with them, no particular reason. I just wanted to add a bit of silver to the stack for a nice price, so that's why I got these. I've actually picked up 5 in total. Really nice looking bars. I'm going to remove some of that plastic off them, so in future videos you'll see them looking a bit more like silver. Now they're actually mint sealed in these. Are these flips, or is these are actually sealed in these, I think. So I will cut some of these out of these, I think, because I like the idea of adding a couple of these to my YouTube stack. Because like I said, these are my only 2 that I currently get out and showcase. So it'd be nice to have I think a few piled up, and the video will look quite nice. So I'll have to cut them out in another video. Now I uploaded a video this morning asking whether you think I should cut my 1 gram gold maple coin out of its original sealed packaging or not. And it's very, very mixed views in the comment section. Some people are saying, yes, cut it out. I really want to see the thickness of it. Some people are saying, absolutely don't cut it out because you'll lose some value and you'll lose the kind of authenticity of it when people are trying to verify it when you come to sell. So let me know your thoughts on that. Have a look at that video. It's only 2 videos down, I think. And yeah, let me know what I should do. I might leave a poll as well. I might put a poll up in a couple of days asking whether you think I should cut it out the packaging or not. And whatever you guys want, that's what I'll do. Personally, I like the idea of cutting it out just because I really want to see the thickness of it. It's very, very small. Let me show you it again on this video, just for those of you that haven't seen that video. It's really, really small, but you can't really appreciate the thickness of it because it's in this cardboard. So I do like the idea of cutting it out and just having kind of a hold with it, holding it on my finger and just kind of appreciating the thickness. So yeah, I'm going to leave a poll up in a couple of days, so keep a look out for that. But in the meantime, have a look at the video. I'll leave a link to the video in the description if you want to check it out. But yeah, let me know in the comment section of that video whether you think I should cut it out of this cardboard or not. And leave a comment in this video whether you think I should cut one of these out of this sealed packaging as well. Like I said, I really like the idea of cutting it out just so I can add it to my YouTube stack and it'll look nice chucking it around with these ones. So yeah, let me know what you think. As always, thanks very much for watching my videos. Thanks very much for all the support. And I will see you in the next video. Hope you have a nice day. From Sunshine Mint. These might be my first items from Sunshine Mint. These might be my first items from Sunshine Mint, actually.